Okay. Hello everyone, I am Minakshi Gurung, National School's teacher and grade teacher for UKG. Today I am going to demonstrate how to dry pour from jug to jug, and I have my student Sanish and Shrestha over here.
Hi!
Hello. Okay Sanish, now look over here baby. We have a tray, 2 jugs and some peas. Okay, now I am going to show how to dry pour. Watch me carefully. Okay, this is the proper way to dry pour, Sanisha. Now it's Sanisha's turn. Okay, Sanisha, it's your turn now. Very good. Okay, well done. Okay, even if you spill up, yes, clean it up. Good job, Sanisha. Now once again, okay? Then we are done. Okay, can you pour it once again? Yes. Very good. Good job. Excellent. Very good. Okay, that was it for today's demonstration. We will see you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye!
Bye.